back to my YouTube channel. I'm disappointment in human form and my parents' biggest mistake, but you can call me Rhythm. And welcome to today's video. Whew, Kapsu. So you guys showed me a lot of love the last time I reacted to a fan fiction. Like I got like 2 likes and 3 views in 4 days. Honey, how can I only get like 3 views in 4 days? I wouldn't lie, like I was actually accepting like 7 views, 2 from me and 5 from my friends, but it turned out that I need to change my friends. Or should I call them snakes? To be honest, it's not their fault, it's me who overestimated myself. But it's okay. I mean, like everyone starts at some point, and I'm not gonna give up. Because somebody who really inspired me had said, if I give up here, that I'm not the star of my life. So, I'm gonna keep going until one day God will lock some senses in me for the sake of human society and I'll stop doing this torture. Wow, I was planning on saying something motivating. I don't know how it took a U-turn. Why are you doing this? And then this bitch has the audacity to ask, why did I get like 3 views in 4 days? Anyway, so the last time we were reacting to a fan fiction, we were celebrating Hyunjin's comeback, but this time we are celebrating BTS comeback, you guys. I know everyone know, but I'm still gonna say it. BTS just came back with their new single called Permission to Dance in collaboration with our Ed Okhar. Yeah, in collaboration with Ed Sheeran. And I'm filming this video after I watched the MV, and of course I watched it when it was premiering itself. But if you didn't, haha, loser. The song is really catchy, like it's as beautiful as the people in it. Let's just hope that YouTube does not act like a snake and give permission to dance the views it deserves. I think YouTube has a thing for K-pop. I feel like YouTube CEO's girlfriend dumped him because she fell in love with the Uppa or K-drama Uppas. But anyway, fun fact, you know what? When I was a kid, I actually wanted to become a dancer, but I got a leg injury, so I have to stop dancing. Bullshit. Just kidding. I did not have any leg injury. My legs are perfectly fine. But I was so talented in dancing that my dance teacher advised me to go home. I think he was scared of me that I'm so talented I might aim his position, but by chance there is someone who hadn't watched the new MV yet. You should go check it out because we don't need permission to watch. So the last time we reacted to Chris fanfiction, but this time, can you guess whose fanfiction we are going to react? I know you can, but I'm gonna pretend as if I can't hear you. So this time, we are gonna react on Jungkook's fanfiction, guys. Now that we have had enough of my nonsense, let's start the video. Okay, so the fanfiction that we are going to read today is called Cheating Prank on Him as Your Mafia Boyfriend. We have a thing for Mafia Boyfriends, you guys. Oh wait, it was Mafia Prince, right? Now it's Mafia Boyfriend. Okay, so it's by a writer called Gokul. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. As usual, let's read the caption first. Slightly mature content. Yes, we love it. My friend would have loved to read it because she is so into smart content. Okay, read it at your own risk. Let me know your thoughts on this. Of course, we will. Let's get it to 15 plus comments. If you're watching this video, I will link the fanfiction in the description, so please go and comment on her. To cook through it for the cover picture, theme, and whole layout. I'm not pronouncing the name right, I'm sure about that. Original work by Gokul. Refrain from duplicating, ignore the typographical and grammatical errors. Of course we will, because I fucking make so many grammatical errors. There is no way I can point out on someone else. If even inspires, give proper credits. I will link the video, sorry, not the video, the fanfiction in the description box and her Instagram link also. Stay safe, stay healthy, wear masks and be sanitized. Thank you so much, Titi. She has something to say, you guys, so let's read that before you continue swiping, do the steps to beat the algorithm. Oh, this is what I actually want to say also. So please, I'm reading this out for you guys and follow it. Do not only do that for her, please do it for me also, okay? Like my post to let me know if you enjoy reading my Imagine and motivate me to write more. I will let you know that after I finish reading this, okay? Comment your thoughts and opinions so I can improve. Share the post to help me to reach the further audience and help me to grow my account. Save the post to read it later and help to reach further audience in the future. Turn on post notification to get notified whenever I post. This is also what I want to say. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, let's start. You know what? While reading this fan fiction, I actually wanted to play some background music so that we can feel some sensualness and stuff. But I can't because I don't want to get the copyright claims again. Like I only have two, no, not two, like three videos, and one of them already have a copyright claim. So it's just gonna be me and my honey like voice for you. Okay, let's start. Wondering how his reaction would be, you sat on the couch thinking if you should do the prank on him. No, you shouldn't. It was suggested by one of your friends who recently tried it on her boyfriends too. Sorry, not boyfriends, but boyfriend too. Girl, one thing I have to say is like, dump this friend, please. Though you were scared what would be the result, but being curious, you thought about doing the same prank. Dumbish. He was a mafia, but for you the soft one. Ooh, he doesn't really get mad at you until you make a big fuss. Being the curious child you are, you decided to do the prank just to see how he would react to you cheating on him. Do you want me to predict the future? Let me tell you how he's gonna react. He's gonna bang you on the floor, not the floor. He's gonna bang you on the wall. You will be shuddering. Jungkook, what are you doing? And then he'll push you towards him while leaving no gaps in between. He'll kiss you, and then you guys will end up making, you know what? Imagine your own. I'm excited, you exclaimed while texting him. Biting your lower lip, you waited for his reply. At this point, you were thinking about the consequences you will have to face when he gets to know that you were pranking him. You should have thought that before doing it. Oh, I saved his name as Low ML. That means love of my life, right? Okay. Ryan, where are you? You're still coming over, right, baby? On calling other man, baby. Of course, he will be bad. Jungkook is at home right now. Come soon, I will be waiting. This bitch has the audacity to do so. What the fuck, your name? What are you doing? Cheating on me, huh? To be honest, that's a pretty calm reaction from a mafia boyfriend. No, Jungkook, I'm not cheating. Girl, you have the same audacity as I do. You know what this your name and we all have in common? We both are liars. Ding, the notification popped up from him replying to your text. Not wasting any second, you open the chats and read all his messages. Damn, he was mad. Of course he would be. Who knows what will happen to you? I already told you the future. He didn't even reply to your last text. He left you on scene. You deserved it. You were pacing back and forth now. He won't hurt you, that was sure, but still you were worried and scared. As you should be. I mean, I would be scared if I did that. That's when the door flew open and there stood Jungkook with a gun on it. What? Is he gonna kill me just for a prank? To be honest, you were literally drooling over him. He was looking 10x hotter while he was mad. Girl, I can understand your emotions, but this is not the time. Run for your fucking life. I'm asking again. You got him up by your sudden scream. I was just pranking you. He frowned with confusion. What? I was just pranking you. You finally admitted while he released a heavy sigh. Why does it sound like a burp? Just wanted to see how you would react. You say almost in whisper. Oh wait. I just wanted to see how you would react. You say almost in whisper. This whole time you were pranking me? Wait, is he deaf or something? Can't he hear us? He asked, throwing his gun on the couch. Thank God. You nodded your head, still gazing at the floor, afraid to look at his eyes. I would be too. I couldn't concentrate on anything just because of this stupid prank. Shut up, you weren't doing anything, I know. Is your work more important than me? Huh? Your name asked this question. If I was Jun Jungkook, I would break up with this bitch right there. He said, massaging his temples. Sorry, you said while he sighed but soon smirked. Ooh, here comes the kinky stuff. Your sorry won't work. Of course we know. We know what's coming next. He said, smirking while slowly walking towards you. Huh? You said confused, stepping backwards until your back hit the wall. Yeah, of course there should be a wall. Otherwise, how would the story proceed? He pinned you against the wall. See. He pinned you against the wall, his hot breath hitting your neck. Jungkook, what are you doing? Making me mine. He started licking your earlobes. Ew. Jungkook, this kinky MF. Looking directly into her eyes, he whispered, "Aren't you being a little naughty, baby girl?" Baby girl is a mandatory word in fanfiction. Are you lost, baby girl? He asked, not trailing his kisses from your jawline to your neck. He started sucking your neck while you pressed your lips, trying hard not to let out anymore. Just let it out, girl. It's not the first time anyway. Tilting your neck towards the side, giving him better access to your neck. Not this girl who's acting like she doesn't want it. He held your waist, pressing his body onto yours, not leaving an inch of space. He wrapped your arms around your neck. See, I already told you guys this is coming. Kissing the fresh hickey he just gave, admiring his art on your neck, he looked back at your eyes. Why is he admiring that hickey so much? It's just an hickey, not a fucking Mona Lisa. He looked back at your eyes, smashed his lips onto yours, kissing you roughly as he pulled you closer than you already were. Why? Wait. How is that logically possible? When there's no space between you guys, then how can he pull you closer? I should stop ruining this fanfiction. He pinched your waist while you Ooh. He pinched your waist while you gasped a little. He took this chance to enter his tongue into your mouth. Both of your tongues fighting for the dominance. Devouring his tongue to each corner of your mouth. Yeah. You broke the kiss, gasping for air. Oxygen was like, am I a joke to you guys? He snuggled his face onto your neck, inhaling your scent. We aren't done yet. Of course we aren't. He said, looking up to you, making you widen your eyes. Wasn't that obvious? You deserve a punishment, don't you, princess? Yes, Danny. He asked with his deep voice, still smirking. Jungkook, I have to make dinner. What? Eh? You don't. You tried to make an excuse and tried to walk away from his grip, but failed. You don't need to make a dinner, cause mine is you. Ooh, wow. He said while you forced out a smile. Let me make this thing clear. If you guys are thinking that this is okay but because it's Jungkook, but no matter who it is, if he forced you to do something like that, just walk out of the relationship and report that job to the police. I'm gonna ruin you so bad that you can't walk for a week now. You would think about pranking me again, sweetheart. He said, looking at your eyes. No comments on that. I'm gonna ignore as if I didn't read that. Let's get it, he said with his husky voice, throwing you over his shoulder. Ooh. He picked you up and took you to your bedroom. Guess it will be a long night. Of course it will be. Wow, this is some kind of content. One of my friends would love it actually. She will actually be disappointed that it ended up here. Like she will be like, we need more smut content. Okay, so that was it for the fan fiction. I mean, like it was pretty good. Like I have told you guys before also that I'm not that into hardcore stuff, but it was nice. As for the people who like reading smut contents, you might have liked it more than I did, but this is a pretty good fan fiction. To be honest, I also feel that my reaction was kind of boring. Like, I'm not saying the fan fiction was boring, I'm saying that my reaction was boring because I don't know, I'm not really good with words because I'm not that intellectual because I'm not Kim Namjoon. But on that note, if you have watched this video till now, that means you like this video, so give this video a thumbs up, and while you are at it, also hit the subscribe button because it only takes you a click but can save a life. So be a good human being and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys soon. Until then, bye bye.